how are you? Today we are going to continue our topic money. Yesterday we learned that money in India is in the form of rupees and paise, and this is also known as physical money, which we give in the form of rupees and paise. This money is used to buy things, and it is also paid for the services which we take, like of doctor, gardener, driver, maid, or any service we are taking. So based on these rupees and paise, we are going to do few exercises today. So let's start. In this we have to match right hand side and left hand side. Few coins and notes are given, so we have to match with the correct value. The first one, A part, is done for you, that a 1 rupee coin is equal to 250 paisa coins. We know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa and 250 paisa is equivalent to 1 rupee. 50 paisa plus 50 paisa is equal to 100 paisa, and 100 paisa are equivalent to 1 rupee. Second one is 2 rupees. So just find out the 2 rupee coin is equivalent to which value on the right hand side. Are you able to find out? Is it the correct answer? Yes. 2 1 rupee coins make 2 rupees. The third one is a 5 rupee coin. You have to match it on the right hand side. Just think and tell. Yes, it's E part. 5 rupees is equivalent to 2 rupees plus 2 rupees plus 1 rupee. If we have 2 2 rupee coins and 1 rupee coin, that makes 5 rupees. Next is 20 rupees. So if we have 2 10 rupee coins, then it is equivalent to 20 rupees. Next is 10 rupee coin. 10 rupee coin is equal to 2 5 rupee coins. Last one is 50 rupee currency note is there. So we have already left with only one option, that is D part. D part has 5 10 rupee coins. So 10 rupees plus 10 rupees 20 rupees, 20 plus 10 30 rupees, 30 plus 10 40 rupees, 40 plus 10 50 rupees. So 50 rupees currency note is equivalent to, if we are having 5 coins of 10 rupees. Okay, so we are going to match it with D. Next is, you have to fill in the correct option. So 50 paisa plus 50 paisa is equal to 100 paisa. We know that. And in case we want to convert in rupees, then 50 paisa plus 50 paisa is equal to 1 rupee. Yes, in back exercise also we have done that. C part is 1 rupee plus 1 rupee is equal to how many rupees? So we are to add 1 plus 1 is 2. So it is equal to 2 rupees. Next is 1 plus 2 is equal to how many rupees? 1 rupee plus 2 rupees. 1, 2, 3. So total 3 rupees. If we count, it is equal to 3. 2 rupees plus 2 rupees is equal to 4 rupees. And 2 rupees plus 5 rupees is equal to 7 rupees. 5 rupees plus 5 rupees is equal to 10 rupees. It is just like a simple addition, nothing else. We already know how to add the numbers. Next is 10 rupees plus 2 rupees is equal to 12 rupees. 20 rupees plus 1 rupee is equal to 21 rupees. 10 rupees plus 10 rupees is equal to 20 rupees. 20 rupees plus 5 rupees is equal to 25 rupees. 10 rupees plus 50 rupees is equal to 60 rupees. 20 rupees plus 10 rupees is equal to 30 rupees. 50 rupees plus 50 rupees is equal to 100 rupees. Now in the next exercise, what we are going to do is, I just share the answer key. You have to note it down in your notebooks first of all, try it yourself and then check that with this video, the answer key which I am providing. So you have to do this exercise at home by yourself. This is just an answer key. Similarly, you have to do this exercise also. Just don't note the fill-ups. You have to do the fill-ups by yourself. But you can check your answers with this answer key. Alright. So we'll continue the rest of the topic in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.